How to create a Skype account. What is up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create or sign up for a new Skype account. But before we get there, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new uploads. Now let us jump right into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up any web browser on your PC. And then from here, you can just go ahead and search for Skype. Click on the first link that you see right here, and you'll be taken to the official website for Skype. On the top right, you have the sign in option. As you guys know, Skype is from Microsoft, so you will need to have an Outlook account or your Microsoft account. And now click on sign in. And now from here, if you're new, click on the sign up option. And from here, you're just going to have to connect your Microsoft account to your new Skype account. So to create an account, you'll need to use an email address. But if you already have an existing email, then in that case, you could just enter your email address right there. So which I'm going to do right now. Click on the sign up option. And now I'm just going to go ahead and enter my new email address. So if you don't have a new email or the Outlook account, you can do that as well. I already have an existing one, so I'm just going to enter my email address right here. Click on next. And as you can see, I already have my account created on Skype. But if you're new, you could just enter your email address here and check your Outlook mail, then confirm your email. After doing that, you should be able to log into your Skype account. So if I just click on sign in and click on my account right here, I'm going to be able to log into my Skype. So I'm just going to enter my Outlook email and then enter my Outlook password. Then click on sign in. It's showing too many requests because there might be a large volume of requests, but if you have entered your correct email and password, you should be able to log into your account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.